Dahil nilibre kami ni birthday girl. Hello. Kaya lang madilim ata dyan. Ganda-ganda rin naman. Medyo na-stress ako dahil yung aking account ay na black, gawa ni Jubel. Yan, gawa niyan si Jubel. Yan. But anyway, ang sarap nung in-order namin dito na ito. Napakalambot ng karne, grabe.
Ito masarap din.
Suwabe. Ito, ang order mo ay
bacon and truffle.
Bacon and truffle. Nandito kami sa Villa Negro at muli kami nagbalik sa ano ito?
The Viola.
The Viola Pizza. Itong anong na-serve mo na sa una nga ni? Anong tawag sa Mozzarella. Ano?
Mozzarella.
Tapos ay itong in-order ko na ito. Ang sarap, sobrang sarap nito. Ang tawag dito, sobrang sarap. May ilang signal. Ito. Kumusta pong signal namin? Kumusta pala ang signal namin? At saka Sino yan? Andito rin sila. May paparating po. Hoy, may paparating po. Oh, hindi namamansin. May paparating. Hindi namamansin. Yung paparating mo, hindi nakakilala. Ayun, si Tita.
Ayan, tawag.
Tawag. So, pauwi na po kami. Melody, pauwi na kami, ha? Si Archie, ang ating kaibigan, nandito. At saka si Mami. Yan. Saktong-sakto, Yan, so, hanggang si Archie. Yan, so, nakalive ako. Saktong-sakto, Archie. Nakalive ako. Tapos dumaan ka, ang taray-taray mo. Ayun. Joke lang po. Sobrang bait po niya sa totoong buhay, ang ating kaibigan, si Archie. Yan. So, hindi ako napansin kanina na dahil busy siya sa pag-ano. And nakamiss ko kina Melody. Namiss ko. And ang sarap ng food. Ay, kumusta po audio natin? Ang sarap ng order namin. Ito, ang lambot ng karne. Grabe. Ito. Ay, gusto ko palang batiin si Gio. Busy daw si Gio ngayon. Ganda-ganda naman ang aking birthday girl namin nakasama. Si Madam Jeline. O, diba, ang paano niyan,
Maglalasing ng dawish lang.
Maglalasing, Pero yan, ang bait po niyan. But anyway, ganituhin natin kasi yan, i-connect natin dito. Naka-vlog. Si Archie na dito, nagkakain sila dito. Siguro may sila. May sila ng family nila. Oops, dikit nga natin pag ganito. Saan yung ating camera? By the way, gusto kong ipagmayabang po sa inyo na dito po sa The Wish, The Wish tuloy. Yan ang may-ari ng The Wish. Pinaganda pong The Wish. Na dito po sa Villa Negro. Meron po ako ditong pangalan, ayan DJ Myong. O, di ba? Yan ay regalo sa akin ni ayan na pala, yan ang binigay sa akin. VIP daw ako dito, sabi ni Gio. Nandiyan si Gio, busy sa bahay nila. Busy sa kabila. So, busy si Melody din sa kabila. Pero anong tawag dito sa in-order ko? In-order mo na ito para sa akin? Pork something na masarap. Sobrang sarap po, promise. Hindi ako masyado maalam mag-review ng mga pagkain na pang high-end at mga pang ibang
ginamit nila yung red beans.
Red beans ang ginamit nila ito, red beans. Pero kung ako po meron akong sa inyo, kung meron akong papa-recommend sa inyo kung gusto nito. Tsaka worth it yung presyo, no? 'Di ba? Sobrang sarap. Babay. Hoy. Asway sila. Bati ka muna dito, dali. Bati muna. Naka-live vlog ako. Nasaan na?
Hello po, kamusta po Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao? Naka-live po tayo dito sa Marinduque. Tama-tama po, nakikita natin ang kinakain ng mayayaman ng Marinduque. Ayan po, grabe po talaga ang pagkain nila dito. That's protein.
Thank you. Sobrang
Grabe po, nilibre po talaga nila kami dito sa Villa Negro.
Actually, sumunod po sila para bayaran lahat ng order
Hindi
namin,
po,
diba?
nabalitaan ko po na libre daw sila ngayon dito. Kaya lahat po na nasa Marinduque, pumunta na po kayo dito sa Villa Negro. Hanggang 4:45 lang po. Oh, yan. Hanggang 4:45 lang po. Direct.
Tatanggapin lang yung galing ng buwak.
Oh, hanggang buwak lang. Yung mga exclusive. Ay! Charot lang po.
Alright,
Thank
bye-bye.
you. Oh, diba?
Ano? Happy birthday. Yeah. Tingnan mo naman. Come. Tingnan mo na yung pangalan ako dito. Oh.
Ay, napakayaman.
Oh, VIP.
ano?
Hilera nila, John Uy ng Balar, oh. Oh, Bisha. Nasa yung may-ari? Kunin mo pa lagi. Sulatan mo na habang wala pa. Si Tita, ako pa si Tita. Love na love ako. The best. Yan si Tita. Ayun.
DJ Myong.
Sabi ni Tita, hindi mo ako Di ba, Tita? Oh, sige po, Tita. Diyan po kayo. Enjoy. Nandun sila sa labas. Baba. Doon daw po sila sa baba. Kasi ala? Okay. Oh, ano sabi dito, sir? Padaan na lang po ako sa bahay ng tira. Mataas na bayan. Sino are? Kabayan dito makita. Sino are? Hindi ko makita masyado. Sino yon? Ang si Archie nakita ko. Or si Gio, busy-busy si Gio eh. Yan, so ang sarap ng in-order ni Jeline for me. Grabe, ang lambot. Grabe, ang lambot, oh. Red beans ang ginamit. Ang galing nitong si Melody. Pasilipin ko daw muna. Melody, pat sobrang galing mo. Ang sarap nung in-order ko. Yung may red beans, ang sarap. Ang lambot ng karne.
Parang
The best, oh. Tapos anong inalabas? Pesto ba yan?
pesto salmon.
Pesto salmon, oh. Ang galing. Sarap talaga. Iba na talaga ang level up ng ng Villa Negro. Grabe. Oh, yan na si Melody. Napakaganda, oh. Yan ang sexy pati. Wow. Oh, yan sexy ng chef dyan sa loob po. Busy, oh. Ayan. Mamaya natin abalahin. Dahil busy. Ha? Hindi pa nga. May kulang pa daw, eh. Pero ang sarap talaga dito. Grabe. Nandito si na Archie, ang ating kaibigan. So, let's eat muna dahil na-stress ako dun sa account ko sa nagpit-higpit ni Facebook. Biglang inan niya yung aking account. Biglang hindi ako makalogin sa aking face. Kailangan ko daw mag-submit ng ng ID ko. ID or passport. Paano kaya?
Passport lang.
Tingnan mo naman ang yan. Ang dami ito ng ating baby girl, birthday girl. Talaga naman.
Pala dyan.
Oo lang. Kumusta pong audio natin? Ginamitan ko ng boya. Ito. May boya akong gamit. Parang kulangan ko ng wine.
Go.
Kasi naaano ako. Ang tawag doon? Yung
Red or white? Ikaw.
hindi ko alam kung ano bagay. Ano dapat ba? White?
White.
White daw dapat. Pag white. Magkano po ang mga food dyan? Kung sulit na sulit ang food. Iba naman kasi ang food po dito. Yung bang parang
Nagpa-Italy ka na.
Parang nagpa-Italy ka na yan. Tapos ang ganda pa ng ambience. The ambience is really worth it. No? Tapos mukha kang gaya nito, social-social.
Galasing mo naman.
Ang sarap. Magkano po? May iba-ibang presyo, pero ang masasabi ko lang worth it na worth it yung food.
Ranging from 7:30.
Yeah. Grabe yung hitsura ko. Bahala ko. Hindi alam ng mga tao na wala pa akong ligo hanggang kahapon. This is the same shirt.
May masahe, no?
Oo, may masahe na.
Sarap.
Worth it na worth it. This is the same shirt that I wore yesterday. Yeah, up until now, this is the same. Pero nagmamasahe naman ako. Kaya
At saka naka-aircon naman siya. Okay,
amoy efficacent oil po ako.
Hindi siya
Kasalanan talaga ni Jobel ang lahat. Pero yeah, the best po. Tsaka dito po ay malakas ang internet kasi naka-Starlink po sila. Bilis. Na-Starlink sila dito. But, ang tanong ko lang dito, tanong natin nga kay Melody kung may extra rice sila dito. May extra rice ba sila dito? Baka lang extra rice dito, 50.
Hindi, 100.
100, naku. kailangan nating maitanong, pag mga ganito bang mga high-class na restaurant,
At saka pag VIP ba, libre ang kanin.
pag ganito bang mga high-class na restaurant, tanungan natin sa mga kababayan natin, pag ba ganito mga high-class, merong extra rice? Oo, may ganun ba? Meron din, ano? Meron din, oh. Yun nga lang, yung price niya, medyo, ano, kalimutan ko magbaon, dami pa naman doon sa inyo, ang lambot pa, bagong luto kaninang umaga.
Dala ka ng kaldero.
Nakalimutan ko yun. So, yeah. Sir, akala ko,
Pwede mo rin iulam yung
nagpapaya.
mozzarella.
sabi ni Eman, kala daw niya nagpapayat na ako. Kasalanan nito lahat eh. Paano ka na makapagpapayat nito?
Bukas na. Lunes.
Bukas na, Lunes.
Starting from Monday.
Starting sa Lunes, saka ako magsimula ng pagpapayat. Na-miss ni Eman ang Villa Negro. Eman, kasama ka ba dito sa Villa Negro last time? Tapos di na kita makakain sa sobrang dami ng hinanda sa atin ni Gio at ni Melody. Parang lahat ng mga masasarap niya mga pagkain,
Oo.
pinatikim sa amin. Grabe. Grabe yung ginawa sa amin yan ni na Melody at saka ni ano. Sarap din eh. Akin ba itong baso? Yan. Kasali pala dito si Eman. Eman, nandiyan ka pa sa office? Sipag-sipag ni Eman. Yan. So, Archie, gusto ko maalaman, pag ba ganito mga high class o high-end na restaurant, merong mga extra rice din? Pwede ba tayo? Ganun ba? Hindi. I'm just curious.
Parang wala naman sa menu gano'n. Extra.
Di ba? Wala.
Pwede naman siguro.
Pwede naman siguro.
Sabihin mo lang.
Medyo may kamahalaan siguro ang
300 ang isang cup.
Mga 500 nga.
Okay. Sige po, naabala namin. Family bonding po ng mga larga. Tita, anong apelido mo nung dalaga ka pa? Ikaw po? Oliver and Larga family, meron silang ano yan. Family bonding. So,
Family bonding.
Bala ka dyan. Santino, 447 na mag-ao. Tumunta ka na din eh. Tataka lamang ako dito. Paano ba dapat ang mga pormahan kapag nag-asa ganitong high-end?
Hindi ko rin alam.
Hindi mo rin alam. Basta kita ang mahalaga.
Ako lang ay kumakain ng kumakain. At umiinom.
Yun ang mahalaga talaga dito. So, nakailang ano ka na? Grabe magpam-pamper. Oo, totoo yan. Grabe magpam-pamper si Melody at si Gio. Tapos alam mo ba, ang amazing nun, andit kala ko, kala ko, sa pagdaan ng panahon,
Oo.
ito para mapanood dito ni Melody at saka ni Gio. Mamaya, Gio, Englishin ko para sa iyo. Kala ko sa pagdaan ng panahon, kapag may mga pumunta na dito, kasi the other day,
Oo.
nakita ko si Arnel Ignacio
Oo.
pumunta dito.
Kahapon
Ata, ano. So, kilala nyo naman si Arnel Ignacio, artista. Tapos, ay bukod sa artista, mataas ang position sa government.
Oo.
And talagang sikat, no? Pero, kala ko, sa pagdaan ng panahon at may mapunta dito ng mga individual na matataas ang posisyon, papalitan nila yung aking pangalan dun sa taas.
Oo, hindi
So,
pinatan eh.
Di ba dito, kakala ko papalitan nila yung pangalan dito. Pero guys,
Kahapon tiramin.
kaya nga, baka yun ang napagtaka ko eh. Baka pinalitan at nilagay lang dahil nabalitaan na amoy ni Gio na papunta ako dito. Pero guys, mind you, nandito pa rin po yung pangalan ko. At nandito pa rin, VIP pa rin ako, Battle Reserve pa rin yung pangalan. Nandito pa rin nakalagay, Battle Reserve for DJ Myong. Iba pala talagang pahalaga sa pagiging magkaibigan ang isang Italiano. Ano? Ganun pala yun? Ha?
Ito si Jubel.
Oo. Kaya pahalagahan mo kami, Jubel, ha? Kasi alam ko mayawan ka pagdating ng panahon. Iba pala talaga magpahalaga ang isang Italiano, regardless kung anong status ng buhay. Kasi hindi naman po ako mayaman. Nagsabi. Nag-drop. Kasi hindi naman po ako mayaman. Pero, meron kasing kwento, merong reason kung bakit may pangalan ako doon. No, so, kami yung isa sa mga nauna dito. Siguro time will come itong Villa Negro, papalaot at papalaot sa kanilang magiging successful sa kanilang negosyo. Pero half ako Sir, ako half Ita, half Ilocano yan, Italiano. Oo nga, ano? Half Ita at saka half Ilocano, Italiano. And moving on, it's not about your status. No, it's not about your status. Hindi siya yung status mo sa buhay. Ang pinapahalagahan nila dito, yung binavalue nila yung friendship, at saka yung story. Na sa likod po nung ano na yan, sa likod po nung pangalan ko na meron dyan sa taas. Ang kwento po niyan ay isa po kami sa mga naunang media, kahit local media po kami dito, ay isa kami sa mga naunang nag-cover nitong Villanegro nung nagsisimula pa lamang sila. So that's the story behind. Oo. Diba? Tapos ay
Dapat meron din ako kasi ako lang ang umiinom dito ng tanghali.
tapos ay doon din sa story, doon din sa ano, hanapin niyo lamang po, nasa YouTube po 'yon. Doon din sa ano na 'yon, doon din sa pag-feature namin doon sa Myong Stories, na kwento nila yung love story nila. So, love story ni Melody at saka ni Gio. Kaya siguro isa 'yon sa mga reason kung bakit nananatili yung pangalan ko dyan. At siguro sana sa pagdating ng panahon, kapag ako'y may pamilya na at yumaman, ito nang yumaman at dumami, sana nandyan pa rin yung aking pangalan. Di ba, nagdrama?
Ano yan, ipasok pag may bagyo.
Oo, yun nga eh. Wag lang hayaan ni Gio dyan.
Okay, thank you.
Tapos ayun, tapos syempre makain na kita ng ng mga ganito lang ang pagkain natin. Alagay mo lamang po base dun sa aking natutunan. Itong kuko ito yan. Tapos dito ganin nung itong kamay mo dito, itong daliri mo pala dito. Tapos siya ang apang. 'Di ba? Pang mayaman. Ganyan. Ang basta itong tagatulak ng lahat yan. Halagyan mo ng puwersa using this. Ang dumi naman ng kuko. Using this patuwad-tuwad naman yung isang kaibigan doon.
Tingin lang ako sa dagat.
Tingin lang sa dagat. Wala pa pong amats yan. So yan. Bali ito ang pang natin. Hindi pa alam ni Gio na nilito ako. Pero, yan.
Dapat na uniform sa kitchen. Ano, ang ganda. Uniform sa kitchen.
Yan. Ang sarap. Ang lakas talaga ni
Tatlo siya.
Hi, Emma. Ano oras ang uwi mo, Emma? Kayo ni Sir Santos, sumunod na kayo dito. Libre ko kayo. Sige, basta may asakyan kayo, ha? Magpahatid kayo kay kay Sir. Libre ko kayo dito, dali. Emma, punta kayo dito, at saka si Sir Santi. Dali. Tapos na kanina pong umaga ang Sumba. Sumbaboy ang nangyari. Bartender din pala siya. Nag-bartender din, Magaling, pakita nga natin, nag-bartender din siya. Galing,
Isang black label, tapos dalawang Baileys.
Talaga naman iba rin ang padali.
Natutunan ko yan sa aking, esposo.
Wow. So, anong tawag dyan? Baileys. Baileys yung may isdang maliliit. Ay, yung Baileys ba yung isdang maliliit?
Dilis yun.
Baileys pala yun.
Baileys yan.
Baileys pala. Baileys naman. Baileys naman. Natuho na. Wow. Ang galing naman.
Mayroon tong isang katulad na mas masarap kaya sa
Baileys.
Amarula.
Amarura.
African.
Tapos mo, i-shake mo. Tapos matikim din ako ng konti. Yan. Oh, may baby, Sino baby mo? Ayan, may tropa pips daw siya. Ayan. At tikman mo nga. Ba't ganyan ang pangalan?
Kasi walang pangalan.
Walang pangalan. At may stick sila, Ayan. Pwede na yun. Tikman ko nga. So, ang pangmayamang mga pangmalakasan eh. Grabe, ang tapang. Pero ang sarap. Nanunuot yung Ang sarap. Ano yung Baileys? Ano yun? Milk ba yun?
Hindi.
Sorry Sorry for my ignorance.
Ano pa rin siya? Liqueur.
Liquor pa rin siya. Okay.
Pang mix sa mga Pero may alcohol pa rin siya. Kahit siya lang ang inumin.
Okay. Pero para siyang para
Sarap,
siyang milk, Ang sarap. Pero naguhit yung
Baileys. Ay,
yung red, yung black label. Naguhit, ang sarap. Porket dala niya yung Innova, hindi. Talaga kami. Chariot. Hindi, Bumblebee pala. Naka Bumblebee kami. Ang may dala talaga is si Jobel. Jobel, salamat sa pag-drive mo sa amin dito sa... At salamat sa pagsira mo ng account ko sa Facebook. Di ba? May utang ka sa akin. Yan. And Emmanuel, mauwi na kayo dito? Ang sarap ng hangin dito, grabe. Ang sarap noon, Baileys, Baileys. Grabe. Nabenta daw. Grabe. Ang sarap, ang lambot. Pero itong kainin natin. Lagyan natin ng ganito. Emma, namimiss mo na dito. Mark Joget, Angelo, Leal.
Alapit ko.
Pa-shoutout po kay Jobel. Hi Jobel, pa-shoutout daw. Artista na si Jobel ito. Jobel, pa-shoutout daw sa'yo. Mark, Jobel, pakita ka. Ayan, ayan.
Solid pala dito. So, nag-recommend kasi sa akin dito eh.
Wow! Yung mayaman si Jobel. May nag-recommend pala.
Siya nagsabi sa
Bakit nang galing na dito si si Mark Joget?
Yeah.
Joget?
Joget.
Gulat ka, no? Nakalive ako. Kanya ang aking kaibigan, si Gio is busy. I know you're busy. Busy ka dyan. Yeah. We miss your place. We miss your
We miss
place.
the place and the food.
And the food. And melody.
This is the only thing I miss.
Ayun si Gio, busy. Busy si Gio. Yan. So, dahil pa naming food. Busy si si Madam Don. Yan, ang ganda ng suot. Talagang siya talaga ang napaka hands-on. Napaka-hands-on sa kitchen. Hands-on. Enjoy eating. Taga Argao po ako. Hi, January Garay. Hi, kabayan January Garay.
Uy, i-connect mo ako sa wifi.
Villa Negro lang. Kalagay.
Small letters?
Villa Negro guest, right? Jobel?
Yeah.
Inglesera na rin si Jobel, Inglesera na rin. Huh?
Hindi ko na.
Yung yun, Villa Negro guest, nandun. Ayun lang, dito, Kita mo? Grabe yung hindi ko lang may pronounce na maayos yung pangalan ng
Sabihin mo na lang pork and beans.
Basta pag pumunta kayo dito, sabihin nyo lang, ang in-order ko, yung in-order po ni DJ Myong na pork and beans, pork and red beans, to be specific. But I don't know the name. Nakita ko lang sa kanilang Facebook. Gio, if you're watching this live feed, you need to develop your own website. I will develop it for you para mabilis lang yung pagpili ng menu because when we visited your
And
Facebook,
order and stuff like
yeah, you can just, place your order there. Because when we visited your Facebook, it's too difficult
that.
to
The menu.
find the menu. So, kailangan it should be, placed in website or in application, in an app, para it would be easier for us to choose for our menu. Naka-indicate na din dapat doon yung price.
Meron na bang QR code for
Dapat, we
payment?
need to, yung sync it to the
May QR code na
QR
for
code.
payment.
Oo. QR code for payment. Be it in debit, credit, or Paymaya or Gcash.
Wag lang yung sa katapusan.
Yun.
Wag lang yung magbabayad sa 15.
Pero masarap. Yan. Parang kailangan nila dito ng ice, ice, dear. Tsaka water.
Mag-request ka ng baniwagong water kasi malamig yun.
Correct. Dear, may pa-request nga ako ng water. Yan. Hindi ako nakauwi sa Torrijos. May gulay ka, Jeline.
Huwag ka na umuwi. Subukan na lang.
Uy, may manok ako dun sa rep.
Saan?
Nasa rep.
Sarap saan?
Nasa rep, nasa Nasa loob nung cooler.
Saan?
Sasakyan.
Ba't hindi pa natin niluto?
Yun nga eh. Nakalimutan ko na actually. Dapat niluto ka.
Lutuin na lang.
Hindi kasi ang bala ko nga, di ba mauwi ako. Tapos
Kaso,
nakita ko si ate
kasalanan
na
ni Jobel, hindi ka na
kasalanan talaga lahat ni Jobel.
Hinatid ka pataas.
Exactly, that's one. And another one is, nagyaya papunta ng Villa Negro. Sagot niya daw lahat. Sino bang di makakahindi?
Diba?
Kapag
Tapos
sinagot
sabi
niya ba lahat?
magpamasahe ka, akong bahala. Oh.
Pumasahe ka.
Dalawang
Hintayin
oras
lang kita.
yun.
2 oras. Recommend ko pala yun si ate, ang galing niya mag-massage. Anong pangalan na ni ate?
Girlie.
Ate, girly na girly. Masarap mag-massage si ate. Baka anong mensahe mo sa lahat ng mga dumalo sa iyong kaarawan kanina? Kagabi pala.
Kayo ay mga loko. Yun lang masabi. Karende ang gulo.
Sobrang gulo, pero sobrang saya. Grabe, the best. Hi po dyan sa Pinas. From Saudi Arabia. Saudi Riyadh pala. Sabi ni Aleli Kirante. Hi kabayan. Watching from... Ano oras na dyan sa Saudi? Sa Saudi Riyadh, to be specific. Pero yung ganito kalaki, hindi ko kaya. Masyadong malaki. Pero sobrang sulit naman.
Tanong mo daw si baby girl kung meron silang QR code.
Tanungin natin. Baby girl, Melody, gorgeous Melody.
Alam ni ate yan. Si ate nasa kanila. May QR code kayo, be? QR code? Online payment? Gcash? Paymaya? Ah, okay. Meron naman pala. O, mga walang pera.
Pwede
na merong
Gcash.
pero sa...
Gcash. You can use your Gcash.
And Paymaya, I
And
think.
Paymaya, I guess, yes. Definitely, they do have that. Ang simple lang man din, ano?
Oo, ang ganda. No?
Parang ganda ng
Kung ako lang ay
ambience.
matipag magnegosyo, ako yung nag-negosyo.
Hindi kasi si Melody, napaka-hands-on.
Hands on na?
Hindi kagaya
Ang
natin
ganda pa
na...
ng uniform niya.
Oo nga, siya lang
Bukas ang likod.
bukas ang likod talagang
Napaka-ikot.
pang malakasan. Talagang, kaseksi yan. Siya ang kaseksi ni Melody. Sister love. Yun pala ang family ni Archie. 12:02 po ng tanghali dito sa Saudi Riyadh. 12:02 ng tanghali. So, kumain
Ito po
ka na
ay
po.
alak 5 na.
Alas 5 na, ipag-iinom na ng tuba.
5
So,
o'clock na.
ang tanong ko, so ngayon, kung 12:02 na sa kanila, lunch din ba sa kanila? Bagay ganon. Pares ba tayo ng lunch like 12? Automatic.
12.
Ganon din sa inyo? Sa Ireland? Halimbawa sa Ireland?
Sa Ireland, gano'n din.
Ganon din.
Pero depende siguro sa tao. Kasi si Kevin, nagla-lunch breakfast. 11, 12. Dalawang beses na siya kumakain. Depende sa tao.
Kaya nga.
Hindi, ang mga, tayo kasi mga Pilipino, 3 times a day tayo eh.
Correct ko.
May kape pa.
May alak pa sa gabi.
Kape at pandesan.
May merienda pa yun in between.
Oo.
9 in the morning at saka, or 10 in the morning tsaka 3 p.m. Merienda yun.
Oo.
Tapos ang merienda nun, bahaw.
Ah,
Pag hindi ka
parang
naman-
kain din ano.
Parang kain din. Bahaw na may kape, di ba?
At
Paano ka,
tuyo.
anong sitwasyon ng buhay mo maliit ka pa? Ganun ba mga pagkain mo? Sabi ko kanina, nagasabaw ka din ba ng kape sa sa kanin?
Oo, nagsasabaw ako ng kape. Pero hindi namin alam ang spaghetti kasi hindi namin afford yun eh.
Dati hindi na.
Ang merienda namin, nilagang okra, nilagang talong. Oo. Tatawagin kami ng daddy ko. Magmerienda na kayo. So, ang merienda namin puro gulay. Pipino. Ganon. Pero yung, hindi namin alam ang spaghetti. Mga pansit wala.
The best, ano? Iba-iba talaga tayo ng kwento sa
Oo,
buhay.
iba-ibang,
Anong kwento ng cleavage mo?
Pinagawa ko to sa Thailand.
Joke lang. I'm just kidding.
30,000 baht. Pwede rin kayo magpapalit doon kung gusto niyo maging babae at gusto niyo maging lalaki, whatever. Mura lang. Gusto mo magpadagdag, depende sa size.
Hindi, yung walang halong biro.
Oo, pwede. Pwede mo
Hindi
padagdag.
yan. Hindi.
Ito wala.
Joke lang.
Tama lang to.
Nanduloko lang po yan si
Wala akong pambayad. Naku, 30,000.
30. Magkano yun sa
Ibibili ko na lang yun ng whisky.
Lupa. Ng
Ay,
whisky. Magkano yung yung 30,000 sa Philippine peso?
50,000.
50,000. Mahal din.
So, kung teacher ka sa Thailand, sumasahod ka ng 40.
Ganon?
Sobrang malaki na.
Malaki na yun.
Kaya
Ayos
bukod
pala.
sa sahod mo, meron pang libre, may allowance for food, allowance for motorbike, allowance for housing.
Ang galing din, ano? Si Thailand girl. Na-meet mo na si Thailand girl?
Ay, hindi pa. So kung may plan kayo magturo sa Thailand, pero maganda ang offer ng Thailand. Sila din nag-aayos ng visa.
Correct. At saka hindi rin ganun sa ano daw, pag tanghali po dito, agahan pa lang po. Dito ang tanghalian mo po ay 4 p.m. ng hapon.
Okay.
Ganun sa kanila. Kita mo, iba-iba talaga ng bansa, iba-iba
Parang
ng
kay Kevin
kultura.
pala. Si Kevin, ang breakfast niya, breakfast lunch, 11, tapos 4 o'clock na yung
4 o'clock na yung hapon. Yung
hapon
dinner niya.
Oo, dinner.
No, dinner. Tanghalian niya.
Tanghalian. Magdi-dinner pa siya ng 8.
Parang ganon. So, ganon. Ayan na si Gia! Ang ganda ng baby! Oh, my friend is here. Hi, Gia. Nice meeting you. Basa ang kamay ko. I'm good. Doing good. Yan ang aking friend. I love seeing you again as well. How are you? Doing awesome. You know,
How are
I'm
you?
just, I am,
I miss you.
Oo. Yeah, that's my friend. Di ba? What's the story behind?
What is the story behind
It's a long story.
It's a long story. That's why, I told to my staff and to my viewers that there's so many people who visited the place already.
Yeah.
High position in the government, higher ranking in the government. Recently, have a visitor, Arnel Ignacio is also an artist and a popular artist, no, and holding a high position in the government. But towards the,
But you're here. You're the
but
first,
I'm still
you're the first
here.
position.
So, sabi ko nga, what I am telling to my viewers, despite of those people na bumisita dito for so many times na rin, pero I was thinking, baka palitan na yung pangalan ko kasi may mas maraming mga high-ranking official, di ba?
It's not the ranking. It's about being friends and enjoy
Oh,
the place.
I am telling you, di ba? It's about that. It's about the story.
Melody, you can buy this bottle, can I have the VIP?
Yes, of course. That's how it is. It's not VIP. You just buy the bottle, we keep it here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
When you
di ba?
come, you have your own bottle.
So,
I like that. Formal.
yeah. So,
Nice one.
true. Indeed, it's not about that. It's about the friendship that we've built, di ba?
You can buy any bottle you like. You just
And
put the
just
name and you can keep it here.
Di ba? That's good, di ba? So,
Convenient because
I have my hirap ng English, hirapan ako maigi,
we cannot do it with a wine.
Inalis na. Hindi nyo lang masyado ma-appreciate ngayon kasi iba yung, di ba? Ang ganda dito. Ayan. Baby, say hi to my vlog. Your teacher, say hi to your teacher. Hey, say hi to your teacher. Hi, baby, dali ko.
Are you shy? Just say
I
hi.
am so, I watched some of your videos posted by your mom.
Yeah.
Because we are friends in Facebook.
He's so
Diba?
shy.
You're so shy. Yeah, so, we're doing, sarap ng mga food namin ngayon. Grabe. Ang sarap
Nice view always.
Yeah, Gio, this one is super
Nice.
super yummy. Ang to dito? Yung soft.
And this is Baileys and Black Label.
That's always yummy.
I love it.
Yeah. This one yung with red beans.
Ah, okay. Yeah, that's a new dish.
Ang lambot
Yeah,
nung
yes,
ano.
yes.
How can I just this?
Marinated
Malambot.
kasi.
Ang lambot nung karne.
Yes.
Yeah,
We
amazing.
marinated and legit first. That's
Oh. Yeah. So thank you. Ano to, new recipe.
Melody.
Melody's
Melody's
recipe. Yeah. What I love most about also Villa Negro is they continue developing evolving the food. So, yun. So, hindi sila mag-asawa because kapag bubunta kayo dito, like in your first visit, these are the menu. Then when you visit it again, there's another additional to their list of menu.
Every month we change the menu actually.
That's the very
We
important.
always add 4 or 5 dishes every month.
Correct. So, there you go. Kainin
Can we
na
open
natin.
the bourbon now? Can we open the bourbon now? The 4-5. Yeah.
We will open it. And she's gonna
Make your tag.
Yeah. I'm going to buy it.
she'll buy daw the Bourbon. Ano how do I pronounce? Bourbon? Bourbon.
It's Scots whiskey. Ooh, nice.
So every time that you'll go here. Hello, Regine. Hi, Regine daw yung nasa counter. Regine!
Regine daw
May
yung
nasa-
nasa counter.
Ikaw ba yun si Regine?
Vlog ni Myong.
Sino yung Regine? O Regine, ikaw ngayon. Hi daw, sabi dito. January Garay. Taga rito daw siya sa Argao. Yan. Oh, may pangalan ka. Iba rin ang amats mo, ha? 4-5. Grabe. Yaman talaga nitong ating... Grabe, ano. Iba rin ang ano. Pero masarap yan, in fairness. Can I have one again? Battle reserved for... Grabe, ang ganda ng chef!
Diba?
Amazing! Oh, tingnan mo naman ang chef na naganda sa atin ng food. Napaka, we're live.
Kamusta?
I'm doing good as always. Ang baho ko, kahapon ko pa ito damit. Gawa nito, birthday niyan. Tingnan mo naman ang damitan niya. Napaka, ay, okay tama na.
Gusto ko ng ganito.
Tingnan mo na, oh, yan ang chef dyan sa loob.
Kasi meron ganun sa Thailand, diba? Dapat nung namili.
Kita mo ganda-ganda niyan. Oh, papamura ka sa kagandahan. Ano? Grabe, oh.
Napakaganda.
Yan.
So, ano?
Mag-a-apply po ako dito na chef.
Ang sarap ng
Nag-training po ako sa Thailand,
Baileys.
sa Vietnam.
Baileys.
Malakas po akong uminom. Tanggapin niyo na po ako.
Baileys, so ito.
Para makabili tayo ng madaming drinks, no? Lady,
Oo.
ikaw ang taga-benta.
Ito ginawa niya, Baileys with
2 shots ng Baileys.
two shots ng Baileys and then Black Label. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Shout out kay Edison Arcelia. Hi Edison. Ah, si Kapitan! Kapitan! Hi Kapitan ng Balanacan! Kapitan, nandito kami sa Argao. So, pag dumaan kami dyan, hindi ko alam kung... Hi, pa-shoutout sir. Ang ganda talaga dyan, lalo na pag sunset. Hi, kabayang Edison. Kapitan Edison Arcelia is watching from Balanacan. May nag-comment na isa, kaya lang tumaas. Paki-comment daw po ulit para maulit ko yung ano.
Nababasa mo pa yan?
Of course, naka-contacts ako.
Okay.
Yan. So, ano nga yung pangalan na rin? Ano? Mamaya, may kausap pa si Melody.
Napakaganda itong
Parang hindi nagabago itong si Melody.
diwata ng Argao.
Diwata ng Argao. Ay, nakalimutan ko yung Ganun, talikod ka nga ulit. Yun, no? Anak. Ikot. Dahan-dahan lang. Marimar. Yun, no? Nadali mo. Ganda. Gandang nila lang. Ano? Ay, may nag-comment. Hindi ko lang masyado makita. Ayun si Archie's watch, ano? Nandun sa kabila. May panibagong VIP. Tingnan mo naman. Tingnan mo. Alam mong binili ko? Anong in-order namin? Ang pangalan ko.
Pero huwag ka masyadong araw-araw.
Gabi-gabi lang.
Ay,
Let's go.
ang in-order namin ay pork with red beans. Chipotle pala 'yon. Ang hirap i-pronounce kasi. Basta sabihin niyo na lang po, ano po yung kinain po ni DJ Myong
Chipotle.
na may pork na may red beans? Sobrang sarap. No? Nagbago yung pangalan. Sobrang
Chipotle.
Chipotle daw. Yes, ang sarap. Ang lambot ng karne. Tapos ang sarap, grabe. Nanunuot yung lasa. Pagpunta ko dito ulit, so, pa-order ako niyan. Reserve for me daw yun. So, battle
Pwede
reserve.
kasi yung buksan kahit isang shot lang. Tapos mo, hindi na nagpapanis.
Baka pa nga panis eh.
Hindi.
Pagpunta ko na lang dito
Whiskey.
na medyo marami tayo.
And it-
Kasama
whiskey.
isi dito Nelson.
Oo.
Tapos buksan natin, di ba?
Any whiskey, hindi nagpapanis.
Alright, sige. Any whiskey, hindi napapanis.
Lahat ng whiskey hindi napapanis.
Oh, lalo ba yung sumasarap? Ganon?
Ang napapanis, wine.
Ah, okay.
After 3 days, hindi na pwede.
Oh, ganon? Even ilagay sa ano?
Sa ref, hindi.
Sa ref?
Hindi na pwede.
Ah.
Looking forward to that.
The unboxing, yeah?
Yummy.
Kailangan ko
Unboxing.
unboxing open.
Unboxing lively.
Bourbon. Ay, mamaya daw lang. Ay, wait lang, mamaya.
Mag-unbox pala dito. Dali, alisin nyo ito't mag-unboxing.
Hi po from Green Bay Garden, si Lisa Ramos Antopina. Hi kabayang, kumusta ikaw dyan? Naka-live kita. Ayos ka dyan. Ha? Bawal. No, ano. Bawal comment. No other comment. Sabi? Ako talaga ito si Julian. Ang ganda dito. Oh, harap. Yung ambience. Ito yung ganitong gusto ko talagang lugar. Sarap.
Ang galing ng service pati.
So, mahal ba yung Baileys? Masarap yun, no? Kahit saan mo,
700 something.
pero kahit saan mo siya ilagay na ano, no?
Whiskey.
Whiskey?
Brandy.
Na brandy. Kahit
Brandy
saan
pwede
brandy mo ilagay.
Anything.
Yeah, I am live. Yeah, we're live.
Excuse ko na po, ito.
Go.
Thank you daw. Wow! So, ito. Wow!
Jillian.
For Jillian. Oh, ikaw.
Yes.
Tell something about, what about that, ano? What
Yeah.
about that,
It's a bourbon. So, yes. 10 years old. Aged. Single malt. Yes.
Very nice. Scotch whiskey.
Yes.
Yummy.
So we do the unboxing. Beautiful box, eh? By the way. Yeah.
ang ganda ng lagayan.
Yeah. Super.
That is reserved for you. For the VIP Jillian Salas, who celebrated her birthday a couple of days ago. Yummy.
You want inside that? You want inside that or you want to separate?
I want to separate one.
So you try first the...
No, this is for me. That's for you, the new one. G is now opening the bottle.
You can all you want because it's yours.
There you go. Wow. Plain lang yan. Yung tayo
Yeah.
lagyan ng Baileys.
Wala.
Pwede rin.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Where's yours?
I will get one.
Wow.
Here you go. Sarap? How is it?
Sarap.
You feel the booty, no? Aged?
Very nice. Very
Good?
smooth.
It's good? Okay. Great. Here you go.
Thank you.
Oh,
You know him? You should help him to promote your living poblacion.
Who's that?
Because he is the top TikToker. He's a
Oh,
million followers.
can you introduce me now?
Yeah.
Introduce me now.
Hello. Ipapakilala ko sa yung husband ko. TikToker
Ah?
din ko.
My name
How are you?
Archie.
Gio. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, if
Nice
you
to
have
meet
any medicine problems, just you can contact.
Ah!
We have a
Yeah.
pharmacy.
You're the guy in front of the hospital.
Yeah.
I,
We met
remem-
once.
I remember
I
you.
think last year.
Yes.
Yeah, you went to our
When I
pharmacy.
broke my finger.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
Yeah, I remember.
I remember you.
You have a nice food.
You enjoy?
Yeah,
Yes?
super nice. Very delicious.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's okay.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah,
Thanks for
yeah,
coming.
thank you so much.
I am your videographer. Remember, meron kang microphone na.
Yeah!
Sorry.
It's right.
So sorry, nasa iyo ang lapel.
So let me pass the microphone to him so they continue the interview.
I think I'm done.
Just kidding.
Ganon?
Hello. Hello everyone, kumain na po kayo. Tingnan mo naman, talaga namang alam na, huy, talagang gutom ang mga first na pumunta dito. Bakit ako nagbo-vlog na dito? Welcome to my house. House pala.
Thank you, sorry,
Okay lang.
Sorry yan.
No problem.
Ganyan si sorry.
Sweldo ng gobyerno.
Makadelay pa yan.
Yan, so...
Yan. Sabi ni Mio, uwi kami
Naka-episode.
agad. Pero nandito pa kami.
Oo, nalitibis ko. Inabala natin si sorry po. Sorry kay panoorin na lang ito ni Archie dahil inabala namin siya kanina pero cool na cool yan si Archie na sorry Archie. Oo, makulit.
It's really nice. I love it. I will have
Sarap.
one more. Masarap.
Can I all you want?
No. Very
So,
smooth.
Pag pupunta ako dito, sabi ko, painom po ako niyan, sabihin ko lang yung pangalan mo.
I'm also here.
Yan.
I like the Jameson as well.
Yeah.
I have 4 bottles in Thailand, gift from last birthday.
Can I borrow one ice?
Yeah, sure.
Sure.
Go ahead. I have my own na. Naging akin na ito.
Jovel, you want to try?
Cheers.
Here's Julian.
Cheers. Thank you for having us here.
Yeah,
Thanks
always.
Good service.
Yeah.
Thanks for you for coming.
Very good service.
As always. Very good service, good food, and handsome people, handsome person, and beautiful wife with beautiful wife. Yeah, it's our friend Gio. And,
I'm not much here actually. I'm mostly Manila now.
yeah, I saw your
Just
post.
happened today that I'm here.
Yeah, so we're so
Manila,
lucky.
Melody's here. Melody's here.
I'm going back to Thailand on Friday.
Okay.
Just 1 week in the Philippines.
Okay. That's good.
She just celebrated her birthday yesterday. We are
Okay.
at their place in the Wishland.
Okay.
Yeah.
Too far to drink.
That's okay. Oh, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers again.
Philippines.
Thank you.
Welcome
I'm
back.
always coming back.
Yeah.
Every month.
Every month, no? Ano? Every month.
I have to.
Every
Yeah.
month, yeah.
But it's only 3 hours.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, it's fine. It's not US or Italy and
Yes,
stuff like that.
It's too far.
I would be surprised if you're going to Italy every month.
I used to go every year,
Oh,
and then I didn't go for a long time. Now, Melody wants to go. I don't want to go.
same thing with us.
Yeah.
Kevin doesn't want to go, and Jeda and I wants to go
We're
to
planning to go to
Ireland.
Japan next month. Yeah.
Oh,
That was my
God.
trick to don't go to Italy. I said we don't go to Italy, but we go to
You
Japan.
trick them. The same as Kevin. Kevin is tricking us to go to Hong Kong instead of Ireland.
Yeah.
He said cheaper and more.
Yeah. And the flights are so expensive now going to Europe.
Yeah, it
They're
is,
really
it is, it is.
expensive.
I think before pandemic we got $1,000 for a business class.
Before.
A business class, yeah.
Now,
But now it's more than that.
I used to spend 100,000 in business back and forth.
Yeah, before in
Now,
business
now I
class.
check for the three of us in economy, not in business, like 260,000. I was like $5,000 just to fly.
Mm-mm.
That's not nice.
Doesn't make sense.
It doesn't make sense really.
Yeah.
You burn half of your budget just to
Yeah,
Correct.
and then
fly.
the cost of living in Italy is
Yeah, it's high.
Very high as
Get
well.
Very high. And long flight also with the kids.
yeah a long flight for the kids.
So at
You
least-
cannot have her in economy really. It's not.
It's hard anyway. It
It's
doesn't
hard,
really
yeah.
matter. It's hard anyway. I'm so lazy to that kind of long trip.
Mm,
Japan is what, 4 hours?
Correct.
yeah, Thailand is 3, so.
That is faster, yeah. But I love watches, so I want to go to Japan.
Really?
Don't tell to Melody.
Kevin loves watches as well. He have loads of.
That's the main
watches,
reason
yeah.
why I go to Japan.
Yeah, he have loads of watches.
I want to buy some good piece there.
Good piece.
Yeah.
Something
But
to
it's something
invest.
special in Japan watch.
No, it's the market. Aside from the Japanese watches, also the Swiss watches,
Yeah.
the market in Japan is really good.
Oh.
Because first of all,
Is there a particular brand you can buy in
you can buy any brand in Japan.
in Japan?
The advantage is, we're talking about
Which one you're looking for, really?
3 or 4, but I cannot tell.
No, the brand.
Especially live.
Just the brand, the name of the
I look
watch.
for probably a Rolex and Omega.
Rolex and
That's-
Omega.
So it's, of course, it's vintage.
Yeah, vintage. Yeah.
The good about Japan is
Do you want
that
me to sell the Omega of Kevin to you? Pinenta. Joke lang.
the good about Japan is that first of all, there's no fake,
Yeah, true.
so you don't have to worry about that.
Mm-mm.
And they have a lot of like, there's a building there like 6 floors only show, only watch.
Watch.
So you have really big choice. You can spend your day
Yeah.
looking one by one, and they're really serious when
Rolex
they work.
and
They're really
Omega.
serious. They give you their warranty.
Yeah.
You know,
yeah.
so you don't have to worry about
They're
what you're buying.
very
You can
particular
spend
on that, yeah.
my money.
I
And
would
then they have amazing watches too, because
Yeah, yeah.
Grand Seiko.
Yeah.
really.
Grand
Yeah.
Seiko is best movement in the world.
Yeah.
Not Seiko, Grand Seiko.
Omega.
Amazing. Omega is Swiss.
Yeah, Swiss.
Rolex.
Oh, I love many brands. I like to change. If you're a collector, that's how you want.
Luminous. That's the watches that I've seen from Kevin so far. Omega.
I like to change and check different kind.
So Japan is one of
Every day you wear something different.
Correct. Yeah.
Enjoy that. It's-
Yeah.
But Japan is, that's the first reason. Then there is a lot of other things we want to
Correct.
experience there.
Especially for the kids.
She's not coming.
Ah, okay.
Because it is not.
I thought she'll be experiencing Japan Disneyland.
yeah, Japan Disneyland.
Correct.
They have Disneyland in Japan.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah,
one of
they
the
do.
biggest in Asia.
I'll bring her to Singapore maybe.
Yeah,
Oh.
Singapore.
It's easier.
Easier.
Japan is just me and Melody. I want to go to Osaka, to Kyoto. Go
Oh.
to Kobe where they make the beef.
Ooh,
Yeah.
yum.
You know, I
Yeah.
want to try also the food, the sashimi.
Yeah. Then eventually I'll be,
It's not all about watches.
Yeah.
Not my wife
We will
kill
not.
me.
We will not tell her.
and then
Unless she
afterwards,
watches.
and yeah, pretty sure she will.
Don't watch.
Anyway, what's your plan on that area?
We will make some villas there.
Sa baba.
From up going down
All
in
right.
the pool, but
It's too long.
we still process with the corporation and permits.
Okay.
So, for now, we only build the stairs and the canal,
Okay.
and then we will wait for building the real villa until we have the proper permits.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we are working on it.
Okay.
It's really nice.
Yeah. I love the place and the ambience.
Yeah, because it's windy.
Always.
Different sunset every day.
Correct. Sometimes the golden,
Sometimes it's better, sometimes it's...
yeah.
Yeah.
Big, I guess, plus factor yun. Pero one important thing is the food. Good food.
Yeah, one of the things.
Correct.
Now, for me, the food and beverages, like food, service,
Service, yes.
Service.
I love it.
location. That's
Correct.
the three things you have to have it all
Yeah.
to be successful.
Correct.
Because you have good food, but you wait. The waiters they don't serve you
Yeah.
properly, you get upset.
Yes.
And then the waiters are good, but the food is not, you get upset.
They get upset.
The food is good, but the place is you don't feel it's not
Yeah.
properly made. So
They get upset anyway.
yeah, so we try to
yeah.
do the best for everything.
Apparently, you
We
cannot
don't-
you can control the
You can control the weather.
yeah, the
Yeah.
weather. But the food and the service should be
Because we
better.
work a lot.
Yeah.
A lot of training.
Correct. Dapat meron pang ibang like services, tourism product para mas
Tourism products.
yeah. Para like yung papunta dun sa baba dapat nakasakay na kami sa 'Di ba?
What's that?
Ano yung nasa Hong Kong?
Zipline.
Not the zip
Going
line.
down.
Yeah, going down. Paano paakyat?
Someday I'll put infinity pool there.
Infinity,
That will be nice.
Yeah, it will
infinity
be very
pool.
nice.
Or gondola? Is it gondola?
I don't know.
Gondola?
What's that? Gondola.
Gondola,
But that's
gondola.
in Venice Canal.
Ah,
In the sea, you might drown because you wanna flip. You
gondola.
have to
pala,
be
gondola.
in a very flat
Steel.
water.
Steel, yeah. Let's go. You're going to
Oh,
Torreos?
yeah, I need to.
Good.
Going home.
Torreos
Yeah.
now?
Yeah.
Ah, it's a long trip. I was there this
Going
morning
home.
with the bikes.
Really? With the
With the group.
group.
With Zhao, yeah.
Zhao.
We ride there this morning.
Is John also?
Ride with us.
Oh.
Yes. We're making a Marinduque group now. Moto group.
Mm-mm.
That's good.
It's cool.
Every Sunday,
It's
yeah.
cool, yeah. Almost every Sunday we ride.
Kaya nga.
something to do.
Cool.
It's, you know, you involve people, you make friends,
Correct.
share the same passion.
Yeah.
So, it's good.
Ang bilis mo. I saw your video. It's so fast. Anong speed?
Secret.
Kakalula. Ang bilis. I know the place.
Yeah, basta
Yeah.
safe. You can have fun, but not in the main highway. You need to
Yeah.
go in the, when you're in the mountain,
Yeah.
it's clean, there's nobody. You can have fun there.
It's
We're doing that in Thailand as well every Wednesday.
Not in the, no, in the province road. It's,
No, no,
it's
no.
not advisable because there's dogs and
Yeah.
Yeah.
seagull.
Yeah.
It's dangerous.
ano
It's
in
Malindig-
between
Malindig Loop.
Marindig
Yeah,
Loop
Where-
But
or in Tigui. I
Yes,
saw your
yes,
video. It's in
yes.
Tigui. So, oh my god.
I was with a sport bike, that's why.
yeah.
Depends.
really
I
nice.
you don't have to
bilis.
be fast to ride with us. I mean, we have faster bike and slower bike. We have beginners sometimes, so slow down, we teach them. Me, I drive from when I was 14.
My God, you have to keep this. I'll keep
Ah,
on
okay.
pouring.
That's how whiskey is.
I know.
That's the problem with a bottle.
Now keep this.
You know, I have whiskey in my house, and then
Thank you.
someone is drinking my whiskey because it's going down.
And it's only you.
No, it's just me.
I know. Simply.
You want me to put it up?
Yes,
So you're
please.
not getting it anymore?
Yes,
Yes. So once you visited here again,
Yeah.
so you just get
But
some.
there's something I look forward to come back.
Yes. That's the good about the whiskey. It never expires.
No.
Yeah.
Because it's closed.
So Red, ano ka na rin ngayon? A VIPs in
Magbabalot na
Villas.
ako.
Meron pa akong inakain.
It is nice. Very nice.
You want to take out the pizza? You want me to?
Yes, please.
Yeah. How about the pasta? Sweat?
I love the truffle, but I'm so full.
Yeah. No.
I'm full up with the mozzarella.
And also that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Regine, someone is watching over you through the live feed. Hi daw to the beautiful.
My camera. Ah, okay.
Hi.
Here with you guys. Here we
So,
are.
there you
Live in
go.
Marinduque News. Drinking whiskey at 5:30 p.m.
Correct.
Bad influencer.
Is it me?
No, it's me. I'm the one drinking it.
I thought I'm the bad influence.
No, you're not.
I think it's a mutual.
Yeah, probably.
Let's ano yung sabi ko natin sa iyo? Yung lagi nag-ainom. Always drinking.
Oh,
Anong-
cheers.
Cheers. Drink your milk, Myung.
There you go. Milk. This
Thanks for
is
coming, guys.
Black Label with Baileys.
I like Amarula better than Baileys, to be honest. But Amarula, nice as well.
Yeah, we need to improve a little bit the drinks.
Mm.
But we don't have many customers that are in.
I know.
You are.
I am. I might buy a land here and just
But we
drink
got the
it every
Aperol.
day.
We do the spritz now. You know the
Really?
spritz? You're not familiar with the spritz?
No.
I don't want to let you try because if you try, you will
Is
take
it
every
is it
day.
sweet?
It's
I don't like sweet wines.
it's not sweet. It's hard to describe. It's made with the.
Bring it to
Do
the one bit.
you know the
Yeah.
Aperol?
You can
Yeah, I haven't tried that.
So it's made with that, with the prosecco or champagne.
Yeah, I love prosecco, but just prosecco.
Prosecco. That it's very particular. I'm not usually into cocktails. I'm more
I'm not
into
into cocktails
whiskey,
at all,
unlike you.
I'm into whiskey.
But the spritz, like when it's before you start drinking the hard one, it's unbelievable. Next time I'll do it. Now you're ready to drink whiskey, so it's not okay. To do.
Oh, okay.
But next time.
So that's a consideration when you drink whiskey. You need not to drink
But
that.
usually whiskey is the end.
Yeah,
Because it's
Ah,
hard.
the best
no,
one.
it's-
Okay.
if you drink the sweet one and stuff like that, it's just ruin everything.
You start with the light one.
Light one.
But the spritz is amazing. I mean,
Prosecco.
yeah, we use
Try it.
Prosecco, Aperol, ice, and or San Pellegrino or soda water. It's really a cocktail. And then orange in the middle. But it's really, really good. It doesn't have the sweetness of it, you know. It's not like margarita or
No, I don't
it's not
like
like that. It's not like that.
Or mojito. No,
It's
I'm not into
really,
cocktail
it's
really.
really, me too. That's why I'm saying. I like it, so I think you will like it too.
Yeah.
Not that you drink many, you drink one or two.
And I don't like sweet wine as well.
Me too. Same,
Sauvignon Blanc, crisp one.
same, same.
Or Shiraz.
Yes.
For red.
By the way, we introduce all new wine next month. We are finishing the stock now, and
Yeah. Can we finish the stock now?
I made a whole new
Let's drink
selection.
it all.
Yeah.
So next time that you visited here, there's already a new variety of
You know what happened is, I got the 4 box of wine,
Yeah.
all different bottles. Because I need to try before I serve something. I want to
Yeah.
be sure that it's good.
Yeah.
So I told Mel, okay, when I come from Manila, every day we try one. Mel is not drinking.
My God, you should call me
So
always.
every day I was finishing 1 bottle.
That's too bad.
Yeah, for you,
Yeah.
you know,
I'm finishing too.
still a lot. Still
Yeah.
a lot. So we're making a selection now, and we introduce that. Maybe next month or now it's raining season. It's not
Shiraz is.
really,
I love Shiraz.
yeah, Shiraz good. Yeah, depends on the cantina, but yeah,
It's peppery.
yeah. They do a lot in Sicily.
Yeah, I know.
They have a lot of Shiraz
I love
down
Italian
there.
wines.
Yes. But we'll have a nice one. Nice Prosecco, nice white, nice red.
Nice white place.
Nice white.
I
yeah,
love
yeah,
white.
yeah. We will have nice white. We will have a light one for by glass, and some better wine and superior wine
Yeah.
by bottle.
Well, yeah, but for me,
One bottle is okay.
I think you don't sell it with glass because then you have to drink.
it all.
I mean, we keep one by glass, one kind. Usually it's the light one because everybody has to like it. And then the one that are a bit more sophisticated, we cannot
Yeah.
open by glass because
You cannot
it's
offer
expired.
that. It will expire.
Yeah, so we offer by bottle.
Unless you have to drink it.
Yeah, yeah. But usually, who drink it, you order the bottle because they know
Yeah,
you're gonna finish
I
it.
know.
It costs you less than the glass.
Yeah, it costs you less than that. Chardonnay is nice as well.
Yes,
Yeah.
we will have Chardonnay.
Chardonnay.
Yeah, we will have Chardonnay. Sauvignon Blanc, Chardonnay. We are making
The best one is Cloudy Bay
Okay.
for Sauvignon Blanc.
Because me, I keep all Italian wine.
I know.
So I'm stick to that.
I haven't
Medyo hindi ko na
tried
maintindihan yung
Sauvignon Blanc
pinag-uusapan nila.
Italian wine.
Kaya tungo lang ako.
I'm not saying the other wine are not good. I mean, there are a lot of good wine from
Yeah.
other side, but I know the Italian ones, so I'm more specialized in that.
Yeah.
So I know what I'm
I would have to
serving.
try that.
We have to. Yeah.
I need to as
I'm
well.
full of new bottles there that every
I
day
know.
I'm trying. Yeah.
But I don't know which one is nice.
Me too. That's why I'm trying it.
Which one have you tried so far?
Well, I try from the cheapest going to the most expensive,
Mm,
and then I make a note,
okay.
and then I will note
What is the best cheapest?
So far.
quality
far.
price. No,
So far, which one?
I'm finding
Because
really
Myung is looking for a red wine. So
yes. I'm
Which one
finding
is the best
I'm
for
finding
someone?
really good affordable wine that are really good quality. That's why I try like 5 or 6.
do you have it here now?
I have the one we're serving now, but that's gonna phase out. So the new one, I don't tell you because I finished it when I test it.
Okay.
I didn't order because I don't order yet the quantity until I know
Yeah, I know.
which one is the one I
Okay.
want to.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
cannot say if it's nice or not
Until I
nice.
drink.
Not only drink it
Until you
all.
finish the
Yes,
whole bottle.
exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. Yes.
Maybe.
Huh? Come here, I cannot.
Ah, okay. She wanted to sit
Huh?
down over
You
your,
wanna sit
ano?
on your lap? Sure.
Yeah. In your
Oh, look,
lap.
we are live.
We're live, baby,
We
huh?
are live too.
Okay.
Oh. Be a lady, huh?
Always.
She always put the legs.
Yeah.
Oh, say hi to
Baby, say hi to the vlog.
Live. Say hi.
Because tomorrow you're gonna watch, or this evening you'll get to watch it.
You're gonna be live. Say hi.
Say hi. Say hi
Don't
to
be
your
shy like
tita.
that.
Say hi to your
So
say hi
shy.
to your
this girl.
to your
So
to your
shy.
to your teacher. Hi, teacher.
Shy, this girl.
my God.
Ang dami yung nakalagay doon sa ano mo.
I love
Gildea.
it.
There's so many ano.
Then, even if I want to, I don't want to put it back again.
Mm-mm.
I'll give you one shot. I'll give you one shot of mine. Then try it.
Okay.
You try it.
Okay.
You with me here, okay? Let's have here.
Mm.
Sit down like a princess, eh?
Cute. Sit down like a princess. So, Santino Laterana Bebe pala ha. JM Neds.
Which one you got?
Oh, this is the other one.
For Mr. For Mr.
That's
Negro.
mine.
That's
Yeah.
for you.
What is your
Yeah.
This one. Here.
So pinag-uusapan na nila, monkey shoulder.
That's good. It's not very known, but I mean it's good. It's a bit light.
So nagkakatikiman na po sila dito ng wine. So
I'm gonna finish it. It's almost finished. One shot as well. It's almost
later
finished.
I will try.
So we have excuse to open a new one.
That's a good excuse.
That's how it is. Yeah.
I have my new Seagrams from Thailand. I haven't opened it yet.
Oh, the one you give
The
last time
Seagrams
was
is really
good.
nice. Yeah.
So you bring me something that's really good.
That's Seagrams.
Really smoky.
Yeah.
Really good.
I think it's
I'm excited to go to Japan for whiskey too. Because, you know,
Really?
they have Japanese have amazing whiskey.
Yeah.
The problem in Manila, they cost like gold.
I
Mm.
know.
But there, you can find like really good deals.
Good
In
deal.
Thailand, all alcohols are gold.
Okay.
It's not the same in the Philippines.
Yeah, it costs a lot.
It's cheap in the Philippines.
It's cheaper than Thailand.
Cheaper.
Wow.
Cheaper than Thailand. The cost of tax with wine and stuff like that in Thailand is very high. Crazy, it's crazy.
And here, it's already high comparing to other
it's
countries.
4 or 5 times in Thailand compared to
Because
Philippines.
the Japanese whiskey, a bottle here costs like 16,000. In
Yeah.
Japan, costs like $6.
$6.
No, 6,000
6,000.
pesos.
6,000 pesos.
And here,
Wow.
16,000 pesos.
The,
It's the same bottle.
the same bottle, the one that I'm talking about, Sauvignon Blanc, is 1,300 in the Philippines.
Yeah.
4,008 in Thailand. So every time I go back to Thailand, I put it in a...
And you know the wine
You know-
in Italy costs 1/3 of here. The problem once you bring it here with tax and everything,
Yeah.
the price really levitate.
And you cannot just sell it by box.
Get caught.
Yeah.
Maybe I think I need to say bye-bye for now because their
This is all about
kwentuhan
wine
is
now.
being serious, getting very serious.
Serious drink is stop.
Serious. Pinag-uusapan na nila. So, but anyway, ang masasabi lang namin, we always know once you visited here.
Come here, you're live. Say hi.
Oo. Hi, we are in time. Okay ka nga.
Hi!
Sabihin niyo ano, we are
Hi.
salamat sa laging ano, no. Hindi talaga, hindi,
Spicy
ano,
one.
ano tawag doon? Yung, ano ba yun? Hindi ka ano tawag doon sa Tagalog? Yung even in English? Hindi ka madi-disappoint sa service at saka sa mga food dito sa Villa Negra. Kasi nakakatuwa kasi may mga bago na naman kayong ano.
Yes,
Hindi
meron
kayo
kaming mga bagong menu, food.
Walang bagong wife?
Wala pa. Then meron kaming Angus ribeye. So it's Argentinian. So
Ang sarap.
ang sarap. So
ito rin,
ayan.
Parang
Yes.
bago rin ito, isa sa mga bago.
Yes, bago
Gusto
to.
mo daw ng if you want a new wife, Melody will
So,
put a mozzarella.
ayun. Sana makavisit yung iba na hindi pa nakakapunta.
Sobrang sulit po talaga ng price kasi
Oo,
ito,
sarap talaga.
ang lambot.
Super.
lambot.
Yeah.
Basta pag sinabi nyo, dahil hindi ko ma-pronounce yung pangalan, sabihin nyo lang, in order ni DJ Myong na pork na may red beans.
Yes,
In
it's
short, ano
chipotle pork
Oh, sabi ko
with
na sa inyo eh.
beans.
So,
Yes.
ayun.
So, talagang
May lace.
slow cook siya.
Slow cook.
Super.
So habang
Kaya,
sabi ko
super
talaga,
duper lambot.
mag-order na kami habang nag-travel.
Yes, para
pagdating
sulit.
namin dito,
Yeah, oh.
sobrang sulit.
Serve na agad.
And sulit
Yes.
talaga. Yun talaga dapat ang maganda.
I forgot. You see, she remind me. We should talk about the new steak we have.
Yeah, nakalimutan natin yung steak mo.
That's unbelievable. I spent 1 year to find the good meat for the steak, for the real beef steak. Finally, we find a supplier that provide us a rib eye from Argentina. It's from Argentina.
Good.
It's real Angus, 5-star Angus. It's unbelievable. It costs us more, so we have to adjust the price as well to the client. But it's really something special. I mean, it's
available na yun.
yes,
Here.
Yes.
Available.
Yes, super. Available na.
It's malambot. Even the fat,
Oo.
it's flavored and malambot. There's no nerves. It's really, really good. It's really, really good. I'm a steak lover. That's why
Correct.
I spent so much time. We went to the, what's the name of the fair there? We went for the food, the Bubex. And then we try all different suppliers. Finally, I find the steak that I was looking for. So we are so proud of that now.
Yun. So, bisita na kayo at tikman yung mga bago nila. Kaya sabi ko nga, Melody, yung mga pumunta dito nung last time, hindi sila mag-asawa kasi meron na naman sila matitikman na bago.
Yes.
Yun yung pinakamaganda. Parang may fusion yung
Oo,
mga food
gusto ko
nila.
talaga at least 5, after 5 months, 6 months. So, may bago.
talaga yun. Oo, correct.
Para at least yung mga tao, hindi talaga sila magsasawa. Kasi kahit ako, nagsasawa na talaga ako. Kaya gusto ko laging may bago.
Correct.
Tama.
Yeah.
Nagsasawa na
Innovation.
daw siya.
Innovation is the key.
Ano ba yan?
Oh. So, yeah, be good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Please visit Villa Negro Cafe.
Oh, one of the challenges pala. We just would like to share. One of the challenges when we are ordering the food kanina, going here, there's a Facebook. So I guess you need to build na your website then with the app and then para doon na lang kami. Para
Actually, yan nga. So,
One of-
hindi pa ako makapag-post din ng menu. Kasi nga, nagpapalit
Nag-uusap
kami.
pa rin.
Yes.
Oo.
And then, meron din kaming fast-moving nga siya. So, nahihirapan naman kaming mag-restock kasi kailangan pa namin kunin sa Manila. So, meron kami like burrata. So, meron kaming mga pagkain na talagang hindi pa available. Na kailangan pang niyang lumuwas para kumuha. So, kaya ini-inform naman namin yung client. So, yun nga, sa lahat ng mga client na nagme-message, so, nag-ask naman sila ng menu. So, send lang kami. So,
walang stock.
yeah, so nilalagyan lang namin, not available this. O kaya, mini-message namin yung client. And then, if ever man, siguro, pag naayos na talaga namin yung mga stocks namin, so, yeah, oo.
Then kami
Kasi-
na mag-build nun, ha?
Oo, kasi madami ng tools si Facebook ngayon na talagang pwede ka na daw magpa-book,
Correct.
mag-order, ganun. Kahit sa delivery.
Correct.
Oo, ganun na din. So, aayusin namin yun.
Yeah. But, yeah, at the end of the day, sabi ko, ito na lang, send mo na lang yung picture. Kasi hindi ko alam yung pronounce yung pangalan. So, there you go. Send. Ang pinakamaganda, one of the best thing that they've experienced, ordering via Facebook. Ang bilis yung sumagot.
Oo. Talagang inayos ko na din kasi may setup na kung ilang percent, kung gaano kakabilis mag-reply sa customer, di ba? So, tinitingnan ko doon, bakit ang tagal niyong mag-reply. And then, most of the time, pag kahit close pa yung cafe, kasi 11 na kami nag-o-open, diba? So, as much as possible, talaga nagre-reply ako kahit close pa yung cafe. So, meron lang iba na...
Tuesday and Wednesday we are closed.
Yeah, even Tuesday and Wednesday, pag available ako, pat may nag-inquire, nagre-reply din ako na.
Ayun.
Kasi sila makakapag-reply lang talaga sila pagdating ng 11 a.m.
Ayun.
Yes.
Yun. So, yun for the meantime kasi. But at the end of the day, meron din po sila dito, di ba nagbayad ka, wala tayong dalang cash. You just paid over GCash and PayMaya.
Yeah, you can pay through GCash and bank transfer. So, wala pa kaming credit card. Yung iba yung mga customer talaga nagtatanong credit card. So, wala pa.
Scan it. Because I don't used to bring cash with me.
Yeah, so GCash lang.
It's very easy. So kahit you don't bring cash here, pero meron sila dito. At the same time, you can connect via their Wi-Fi because it's
Wi-Fi now.
free. Yeah.
Finally,
So-
we got Wi-Fi.
Correct.
Good Wi-Fi.
Through Starlink.
Through Starlink.
And You cannot choose this time.
Apparently, they don't have yet their credit card, but eventually, you can apply over PayMaya.
We don't have credit
You're
card,
opening
yeah.
that one.
The
Meron sila-
PayMaya.
Yeah, meron sila per PayMaya. Lahat ng card pwede.
Yeah.
Kasi ang mga
I'll
kliyente,
Yeah, we
mga
will
mayaman,
study.
Di ba?
Oo.
Eh, ganun talaga.
Yes. So, i-check din namin if ever si Starlink is kaya niya yung mga
Pretty sure.
ganon. Oo.
Pretty sure kaya.
Yeah, we will look into it.
Yeah.
Ang galing-galing nito eh. Siya nang
Oo.
nag-put up lahat eh. But anyway, yeah. So at the end of the day, we enjoy not just the place, but the company of Gio and Melody as always. Kahit na ang ganda niyan sa loob ng kusina. Talagang, no? Siya talaga. Oo.
A while ago, we were in the house and she was fixing herself, making makeup. And said, so where are you going? To the kitchen.
Oh.
I said, you go like that to the kitchen?
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Dapat always beautiful.
Yeah.
I said, you're gonna melt.
Yeah, so there you go, and they are just discussing about chilling down. Ang galing oh, may naabutan pa rin tayo. Very nice. Hindi lang lahat.
Parang nasa
Sobrang
Mars
red.
tayo ngayon.
Correct.
Thank
Yan.
you so much.
Pag mainit daw ang panahon sa umaga, sa tanghali, pretty sure mas gold yung
So ngayon
orange.
kasi, kaya parang wala tayong sunset. Parang ilang araw na, 1 week na, dahil sa smog.
Alam mo dahil Kemyo.
Alam ko dahil sa...
Maybe volcano.
Oo.
Yeah.
Maybe volcano.
No, it's not. Even in Manila, so I just read in the news na talagang may smog talaga.
Naku, parang maulan.
I think it's your tobacco.
Maybe I'm smoking cigars.
You're smoking too much.
Bye!
Bye! Thank you, dear! Alright, shh. Yan. So, there you go. We need to say bye-bye for now. Thank you so much po for watching our
Taking over the
vlog. Bye-bye. God bless. And thank you, Villanegro, for the warm accommodation as always. Thank you, Gio and the Melody, and as well to the birthday celebrant.
Cheers.
Cheers.
My God, I'm old.
Yeah, cheers, guys. Bye-bye. Cheers.
Getting
Thanks for
old.
coming.
Getting old just like the whiskey.
Pakita ko muna to. Ganda.